Right, so I'm working on the Panda. Now you're looking at the camera there. I mean, I always look like they're over there. Never mind. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing on the Panda in terms of the wheel alignment. Right, so we have a new wishbone and we have a new tie rod. I put the new wheel on and the wheel was slightly in at the top here. Now it's not the wheel because the wheel's brand new, the tyre's brand new, the disc is brand new, even though it doesn't look like it, but it's been sat on the car for weeks before I even did anything. So it's got a new disc and it's got new pads. Again, they look like they don't, but they haven't actually done any miles whatsoever. But yeah, as I say, the wheel was slightly in at that bit. I've done as many measurements as I can from the other side to this side, and I literally cannot do any more measurements without... I feel like it's there, but I don't know. I need to drive it first. When I drove it, it felt like the wheel was doing this, though it wasn't. But obviously it's pushing in here, and it's... I don't know. So, as I say, disc, pad, tie rod, wishbone. The only thing that could be left is the whole strut, and it's a spring. And I've done the obvious. I've shook it, touched it. It's not loose. It's not doing anything. It's all fine. It's not broke. Those are fine. I always forget what they're called. There's no leaks. That's straight because I've measured it. This bar's straight. Everything looks fine now, so it must be the strut or the spring, something like that. Well, I've taken it off and it's not broke or anything, but that's my last thing to change if it isn't that, which is a bit annoying. So I've obviously replaced everything else and I didn't need to if it was just the strut. Anyway, let's put the disc back on, caliper, and the wheel, and see if we can see it in slightly. It's very hard to tell, but you can slightly see it. Gotta love a wet day. Right, so need the disc on first. When you're doing these up, I can see them stopping, so I know they're pretty tight. I don't have a torque wrench, unfortunately. What I do have is a bar and a gun, so I'm just going to double check them all. As you can see, that tyre looks filthy. It's completely new. It's just been on the car a little bit. There's a very small fault through that wheel, plus the tyre. Right, I'm going to turn the wheel back on. Right then, let's stick the wheel back on. Oh God. Got my gazebo up behind me. And the water's dripping down the back of my phone. Lovely. Right, let's stick this on. Hopefully there's enough room. If not, we'll have to jack it up more. And I will. Have to jack it up. Right, I'm going to leave that stand there for a minute. I don't trust that jack even. Hopefully there's enough room for that to go on. Right, it's on. I just can't even tell if it's still sticking out at the top. I have measured it before. I mean, how do you can tell? Because these wheels stick out anyway. When you look at the other one, I mean, if you just look at the back, they look kind of in anyway. And I can't measure it against the other one because I can't get to the bloody other one. Let me see if I can get the camera in there. Oop, mind my thumb. So if you look at that one, well, this wasn't hit. This floor is uneven, by the way, just to be on the case of caution. So it might be that. But even that wheel looks in, but it's got nothing to do with it. If there's any way to know is if I go take it for a drive. I do need to book it in for an MOT again. Now all the work's done on it. Right, I'm going to come back to you. I'll let you know after a drive. Right, so this is what we're going to be using. So there's the Kochchemi H901 heavy cut. And then for after, which is like pudding, super fine, well, ultra fine SE from 3M. 3M pad, which is that one. And then I have this pad. Actually, it came with this. I think it's just a generic one. And then my machine, which is again just some generic one that I've had for ages with. Got that pad. Well, the handles there for the side, and then for sanding we've got some P1000, P1000, and some 3000. I can't find my 2, and that. If this is too coarse, which I don't think it will be, we'll use a bit of 3, but I think 1000 should be fine. I've used 1000 loads of times. Right then, I'll go and show you what I got to do, and yeah, let's get cracking, I suppose. Right, putting some of that on. I've gone through here, so I might have to paint it again. Let's see. Little paint. As you can see, I've gone through, but that's where I am with it. Obviously I didn't put enough paint on there. It's a bit annoying. Oh, it's a pain. So the joys of burning through paint when polishing. so I've had to respray it. Unfortunately, this was my join last time, where I got the old paint to the new paint, and as I was polishing, it came through. So I've done it again. So let's have a look. So I have a blend up here somewhere. Right, you can see the dirty bit there. Lovely, fantastic as always. So I will get back to polishing it after. Plus I did get to touch in my little bit I hit my spanner with when I was doing the wheel, so that's a bonus. But that's alright. Right, on to the next bit.